Hi, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Playmobil DeLorean. That's right, this is the DeLorean from Back to the Future. It comes with 3 characters. We have Dr. Emmett Brown, Marty McFly, and trusty pup that went back in time, Einstein. Now, this is the DeLorean that was made famous by the film. This is a car that's really not in production today. A lot of collectors, I'm sure, have it, and my grandfather was one of them. Here he is. This is my grandpa, Freddie. He was a car collector and a toy collector, so he loved this car. He had it for a short time. This is probably one of the only photos that we have of him inside of it. Just like the real DeLorean, this car features open and closed doors that go up in the air instead of from side to side, and the Playmobil version does not disappoint. I'm going to build it for you, and you're going to let me know in the comments if you're a big fan of Back to the Future. Do you have this set? Do you think they should make more characters like Biff Tannen, or maybe Marty's mom Lorraine, or his dad George? I think they totally should. This collection comes with all of the components from part 1, even the hook that connects to the clock tower and the wire that connects to the clock tower that got struck by lightning to bring Marty back to 1985. Before I begin building the DeLorean, I just wanted to show you really quickly the 1955 versions of Dr. Emmett Brown and Marty McFly. This is Doc dressed up in his 1955 outfit. It's amazing that they even captured the little detail on his shirt. Movable gloves that you see when he connects the power plug to the clock tower, so the electrical current can run through that hook to power up the DeLorean, since they did not have any plutonium in 1955. Doc Emmett Brown also comes with a newsletter. Now, this newsletter was given to Doc from Marty McFly, because in the beginning of the movie, Marty is saying goodbye to Jennifer. As he's saying goodbye to her, some lady gives him flyers to save the clock tower, and he's like, yeah, I'll take all of them. He actually only takes one, puts it in his back pocket, because Jennifer wrote down her grandma's number on the back of it, and she wrote, I love you on it. How sweet. This newsletter is important for the progression of the story, because Marty shows it to Doc, and he proves to Doc that the clock tower is indeed going to be struck by lightning, and what day and what time. So all this information is going to help Doc generate the energy that he needs to get to 1.21 gigawatts to bring Marty back to his time, which is 1985. We also have Marty McFly dressed to impress for the Enchantment Under the Sea dance. He's taking his mom, Lorraine. Lorraine doesn't know that's her son, but she's like totally into her Calvin Klein. That's right. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, go watch it. It's really, really good. It's going to change the way you look at movies. This is one of the greatest movies of all time. If you do not like this movie, then I really, really question your ability to like any films, because this movie rocks. So Marty McFly right here. I love the 1955 versions. This is also the reason why I really hope that Playmobil brings out more figures, characters for this collection. So this set is really awesome. Thank you so much to Playmobil for sending this to me. I'm going to build it for you now. If you're watching on IGTV, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This helps YouTube know that my channel deserves to be in search results. For some reason, I'm not. So let's get started. I love all of the details of this DeLorean. They did such a great job, Playmobil, honestly. The fact that the tires or the wheels can go in to fly for part 2, and just like at the end of the movie, that's what happens, and it just starts to fly. It's like, whoa, like totally mind-blowing. I love that it has the light up function where we could see the flux capacitor light up, and all the details of the vehicle itself, like the dashboard that has the control panel for the dates. It has all 3 date entry points. I just think it's great. And I love the fact that Marty and even Einstein or Marty and Doc can fit inside the DeLorean. I love that they included the video camera. I love that they included the stopwatch, and even Einstein got some love. So this collection is amazing. It's only $49.99. It's on sale now. You got to get it. And today, for 4th of July, if you're watching, they're having a sale on Playmobil.us. So you got to check it out. This was such a fun build. It was so super easy. It only took me about an hour with a little bit of interruption with my kids. Totally fine. It was really, really fun to just go back in time and build this. It's one of my favorite movies. Now, we included in the booklet are the blueprints for the DeLorean as well as the flux capacitor. This is really awesome. There's also some information at the front of the book that you could read, and it has a lot of cool information about the movie. Maybe there are some sets that you could recommend to me by Playmobil that we could build that are kind of similar, something that has a clock tower. Again, thank you so much to Playmobil. Stay tuned to our next video where we're going to build a gigantic Novelmore castle. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed building with me. If you're a fan of toys and like to talk about collectibles and things like that, I love toys too, so let's be friends. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, whatever. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.